Hello, and thank you for watching my video. As always, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or would like me to cover something in greater depth or something I have not, please put it into the comments. Today, I'm going to go over how to install Grafana so that I can later show how it can be used to aid in visualizing phpIPAM's reportable information, as well as how to create alerts from that information. Why Grafana? Grafana provides a solution to allow us to visualize the usage, distribution, and allocation of IP addresses in phpIPAM, as well as to set alerts when certain metrics are reached. Now, since the dashboards are another video, and this is more about installing and getting Grafana to working with your phpIPAM setup, let's get that going. Now the script I have created that's in this video is one, and it's being placed on the GitHub site, is a complete setup. So it goes through, runs through and installs webmin, MySQL, phpIPAM, and Grafana. I've also tried to get as much of the admin setups configured automatically, as well as incorporating Grafana application into MySQL. Now, I'm not sure what the error is, but sometimes this is not working. So if it doesn't work on this video, I'll just run through in the next one on how to do it. Now to get this to run and show you what's going on, you can see here I need to enter my password, and for phpIPAM now, and for Grafana. Now this is for phpIPAM itself, the database. I'm going to leave this all default. You can either continue or by hitting enter or control C to abort. I'm going to hit enter, and this is going to start running. Now hopefully everything gets pretty automated and installed relatively quickly. However, this does take about 5-10 minutes. Sometimes it depends on my internet connection. So I'm just going to hit pause on the video, and then I'll bring it back when it's ready to install. Okay, thank you. All right, so the script is completed installing. So now let's see if we can actually open phpIPAM. Hopefully my password works. So that was the password I used to get into phpIPAM. And let's see here, this should be Grafana. And hopefully I typed the right password here. I did. Let's see if our connection worked for data source. There it is. So that auto configured and was brought in. So we can actually explore. There's our phpIPAM. You can see, let's go to IP addresses. There's nothing in there right now, so that's not going to run anything, but there's no data. And then finally, let's check here for webmin. Right, okay. And if I did this correct, and webmin's working. So in here, we should be able to see that the Maria, right? There's phpIPAM, and we're good to go. Well, I hope this made installing a totally fresh install of phpIPAM and Grafana in one shot easy to do. For those of you with an existing setup, I'll be creating a specific script to aid in installing Grafana to your existing installation. Finally, I wanted to thank you for watching my video, and as always, please like and subscribe and add some comments of what you liked or what else you would like me to cover. Have a great day. Bye.